This is an example of solving a linear equation. The equation is 4 times negative 2x plus 1 equals 6 minus 2x minus 4. The first thing we will need to do is distribute. We need to distribute the 4, and there's actually one other place where we need to distribute in this equation. Notice on the right-hand side, the set of parentheses has a negative in front of it, but no number. That's as if we had a negative 1 in front of the set of parentheses, and we will distribute that negative 1. On the left-hand side, distributing gives us negative 8x plus 4, and on the right-hand side, we have 6 minus 2x plus 4. Notice the negative 1 times the negative 4 makes a positive 4. On the right-hand side, we have like terms that we can combine. A 6 and a 4 becomes 10 on the right-hand side. Now that we've combined like terms, we want to try to get our x's on the same side together. You may choose to move all of your x's to the left or all of your x's to the right. In this example, I'm going to move all of my x's to the right-hand side by adding 8x to both sides. Adding 8x to both sides gives me just a 4 on the left-hand side and 10 plus 6x on the right-hand side. Keep in mind our ultimate goal is to get x by itself. So I don't want the 10 on the right-hand side. If I want to move the 10, I need to do that by subtracting 10 from both sides. Subtracting 10 from both sides gives me a negative 6 on the left and a 6x on the right-hand side left by itself. To get x by itself now, we need to remove the 6 that's to the left of x. That's really a 6 times x. So to undo that multiplication, we are going to divide both sides by 6. On the left, negative 6 divided by 6 gives me negative 1. Notice on the right-hand side, I'm left with just x. So I have solved this equation. I should be done now if I isolated x. Now I say we're done, but we're always going to check our answers. The way we check our answers, we go back to the original equation. Anytime I see an x, I'm going to put in what we think is our solution. So in place of x, I'm going to put in a negative 1. As you're checking, you're welcome to use your calculator, or you can do this manually using order of operations. So we're going to work inside of our parentheses first and perform the multiplication inside those parentheses. So the negative 2 times the negative 1 becomes a positive 2 on the left. On the right-hand side, the 2 times negative 1 becomes a negative 2. Again, we're using our order of operations, so we will continue to work within those parentheses as our grouping symbols. So now we're going to perform the addition and subtraction within those parentheses. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. On the right-hand side, the negative 2 minus 4 gives me negative 6. Okay, on the right-hand side, you'll notice we're subtracting a negative number. I want to remind you, if you subtract a negative number, what you're really doing is adding. So I'm going to change those negatives to plus signs, so I will remember to add 6 plus 6 to get 12. Also on the left-hand side, 4 times 3 is 12. What you're looking for is that you get a true statement in the end, and ours is true. 12 is equal to 12, so we know that we solved our equation correctly. X equals negative 1 truly is our solution.